Hello everybody and welcome at the back of my truck. Today's going to be a special one because we're going to go get a piece of equipment I bought at an auction the other day. It's a drum sander, so I'm going to take you along with me. I just wanted to show you what I have here just in case. I was told the drum sander would fit on the bed of my truck, so I'm not taking my trailers with me. We'll see, but worst case scenario, if I have to rent a trailer because I cannot put it in there or it doesn't fit, I'm taking my trailer hitch. So we'll see. I took a look at a couple of videos online and I saw that for transportation you could tighten some Allen wrench and nuts. So I'm taking a mechanical set with everything I would need in. And you never know, mechanical set. In case of rain, since I'm going to have everything in the bed, I'm taking a tarp with me, and obviously I'm taking straps. I got a bunch of 500-pounder straps, and I have a couple of 5,000-pound straps in these toolbox there. I also have impact driver and a drill in there just in case. And I need to stay hydrated during the trip, so I got a cooler. It's full of bottles of water. So that's pretty much what I'm taking with me for the trip. So let's go. 1,100 miles one way. It's gonna take us some time. So let's go. First stop on the trip to get the drum sander. So far so good. We had the very good rain though. Now sunshine. Stop number 2 in Tennessee somewhere. So far so good. 4 more hours to go and we'll be there. Peak up tomorrow morning. Stop number 3 with the big boys. Stop number 4. And last one, I think, and last one for the day. It is 9:15 p.m. I still have 2 hours to go. Almost there. We'll spend the night and we'll pick up first thing in the morning. Hopefully this machine's worth it. I'm sure it will be. So I'll catch you tomorrow. Hello guys, this is it. She's finally loading in the truck and ready to get back to Georgia. Look at it. She looks good. And I was told she was working good too, so we'll see. She's loaded. We're on the way back. First pit stop back. Here she is, finally in the shop. We unloaded this morning, and here she is now. So let's see what it is. Let me open this for you. So it's got 2 drums. That's a Performax Supermax 37.2 here. See down there. 5 horsepower single phase. It's got the SenSmart thing, so it has 150 grit. On it. It's got here. I don't know what it is. Need to figure out what it is. Let's see what we have. So we have a cut wire. It is 10 gauge Esocorn. There are three colors: red, black, white, and green. Single phase though, not 3-phase. I'm gonna put casters on it, so I put a plug there to see the threads and stuff. Like here, let me show you here. Here, I should do this. Put the casters that are optional. I need to find the sandpaper for this. What kind of sandpaper I put on this? I found the manual. It says 3-inch wide paper and how to cut it and stuff, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna replace the mat here, because as you can see, let me show you here. As you can see, it's not in pristine condition. It's ripped and stuff, so I'm gonna replace this. Gonna be fun. So first thing is we need to get a cord, 10-3 Esocorn, and we need a plug. Plug is 14-30P. That's for 30 amps, 250 volts, or 115, 250, whatever. But 14-30P. And I need a 30 amp breaker. So let's go get that. Okay, I'm back with the cord and the plug, and I'm actually plugged it in. A couple things. I changed my mind about the plug. We go for 13-30P, which is 125 or 230 volt. This is 230 single phase. So 230 single phase, 30 amp. Looked at my panel, I have a 30 amp, but the neutral is not wired. There's only a ground, no neutral. And the only one I have with a neutral is not 30 amp, but 50 amp. So I put an RV plug instead. So now I run on the 50 amp breaker instead of 30 amp, but that's not a problem. The gauge is the cord is 10 gauge, so that's plenty thick, and so that's a 50 amp RV plug, so that's a 14-50P instead of a 14-30P, and it's working great. So all I did is plug the cord. And underneath here, let me bring you. You see this box right here? We have one screw here, and another screw there. All you do is undo those two. This drops, and you can see inside. I'll show you inside in a minute and how it's wired. It's not difficult at all. Let's put it in here right quick so you can see the wiring. So we have the red, which is the hot number 1. We have the black, which is the hot number 2. We have the white, which is a neutral, and we have the green, which is a ground. So all I just did is put the cord right here, rewired it correctly, and that's it. So I'm using a 14-50p RV plug. So there's a neutral wire, so that's a 4 wire instead of 3, and it's working great, as you'll see when we have some paper. Hey guys, I just received the roll, so let's open the box here. Packaging is nice. So let's see. So it's from Maverick Abrasive. We got a roll of 120. This one is 220. This one is 150. This one is 4, so that's 80. So 80, 120, 150, 220. They are 3 inches wide by 25 yards long. So we're gonna have to cut according to the spec and put them on. So let's do that. So this thing is telling you to cut 15 3/4 from the bottom corner to the other line, and then chop off 3 inches. I'll do that. It's showing you a table for the grits, front drum and rear drum. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 80 to 120, and the rear drum setting will be 1. It's this. So we'll do that, 80 and 120. Let's cut the things first. Let's cut that. $80. So it's saying from that corner to here should be 15 3/4. 15 3/4 on that corner right here. And it goes I should have done it on the other side. There's no way here. Let's do it from the other side here. And 15 3/4. That's what it looks like. And then he said trim off 3 inches from the tip. 3 inches from the tip. Here we go. Now we just need to roll it and do the 120. Alright, I'll catch you on the machine. Let me show you the other side. The other side is a bit different. Well, this is it. The machine's working pretty good. I put 80 grit and 120 grit. It does sound really good. I tried on a piece of mahogany. It's doing great. All I need to do now is figure out where I'm going to put it and work on the dust collection system, because we have 2 holes there that need to be piped somehow. So I'll do that later. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, this ride along with me to Oklahoma and back to Georgia, picking up this new machine, making it run and working, ready to work. If you like this, make sure you like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you again for watching, and we'll catch you later.